Look at this package. Look how big it is. What do you think is in it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Shout out to Natalie, my dear friend Natalie, who lives near Costco, which I do not. And look at this. This is a big 3D sticker. Wall sticker. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh my goodness. Let's move this. Oh, look at the unicorn. Every single one is a sticker. Even up here and at the bottom. That's cool. Ooh, I like this. Ooh. Oopsie. Oh, the classic. I've never seen these pigs. Was that new? Oh, the parrot. Oh, these are strange too. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's maybe better. Oh. The seal on the popsicle. Balloon animal. Look at the girls. I don't remember there ever being any girls like this on Lisa Frank in the 90s. I love to shop. Wow, look at the size. Oh my goodness. And look at the little teeny weeny ones. Oh wow. Look at that. Happy birthday. These frogs are kind of freaking me out. Oh, I love her. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. I can't believe it. Like, I knew it was going to be big, but I didn't know it was going to be like... I didn't know it was going to be this good. Look at the letters here. Oh, the swan. More parrots. And then we have these backgrounds that you can like put the stickers on and make your own scenes. So I have oh, look at that. Space, castle, Rainbow Road, the beach. Under, oh wow. Oh, I love this one. It's a tropical pool. Oh wow, wow. Ooh. Candy, carnival, prizes. Ooh, like a dance recital. More underwater. This little puffin thing or whatever that is. Oh, okay. And so you can put your girls on here. Have them put on performance. Oh, that's fancy. Oh, oh my gosh. That's cute. Got an art studio. That's neat. This is pretty goofy looking. I don't know. This doesn't look very Lisa Frank to me, these guys, for some reason. Oh, that's cool. Kind of like graffiti, punk, skull even. Candy train. That's cool. Oh, awesome. Japanese. Sakura, not Fuji. These look like regular paper. Sorry, it's so hard to... Okay, it looks like they repeat a few times. So there's quite a lot of that paper. And then what's this? It says open me. Okay, wow. So this opens out into like a huge poster here. I don't know if I can show it on the... It's really big. Wow, okay, so that is the giant Lisa Frank Costco sticker book. It is absolutely fabulous. Thank you so much, Natalie. Thank you so much for taking the time to go get this and to send it to me. And it took forever to get here, but it was totally worth it. Oh yeah, this is that big. Okay, you can see them all back here. It's awesome. I love it. Bye.